again about 7 o'clock, 7:15. Cold night again last night. Wet, tent was wet. All the condensation. It's cold right now. I'm not sure how far I'm going today, at least 10. Trail's kind of hard to see sometimes, so I'm gonna, that's it behind me if you can see it. The river's down there, or creek. All right, later. I think I'm barely a mile from camp. This is the third or fourth tree this big I've had to go around. You have to go through all these little thorny sticker weeds. You can see it's a real clear path around. But, it's another nice stretch of walking right here. You can still barely see the trail. Ooh, it's nice though. This is what a lot of this trail is. I'm not showing the rocks, but it's on a small trail on a steep incline, and you're just hanging off the edge half the time, waiting to trip on a rock. Haven't yet, so knock on wood. This is what I'm hiking through around this ridge line, a lot of it. And this is, I think, after they've done trail maintenance. I don't know if this creek has a name. Just had lunch here, had all my stuff dried out, laid out. Nice little lunch spot. Gotta hit it 4 something miles to Fairview. Some interesting rocks I've just been walking through from that way. That looks like where I'm going. It'll be a little interesting too. It's kind of pretty wild. Jagged. Probably cowboy camp on that. Just get out of the weather if you needed to. A little bit of a road walk now next to this creek. Man, coming down up those hills and those ledges. Killer on my ankles and my feet. Hopefully I can take this road all the way to the campground. Be alright with that. on the last push, steep climb up to Fairview Campground. See that sun on my face? Yeah, it's hot. I'll switch this around so you can see. Not much to see. There's a bunch of trees, but you see where I came from. Somewhere over in there. Walking around the Fairview Trailhead and Campground. I bet that used to be a fire tower. Looks like the basis for one. It's modern time, and that would have been this step for the ladders or whatever right over there. It's be a decent sunset tonight, maybe. I think I'm gonna stay here. It's only 2:45. I'm pooped. All right, I'm set up at Fairview Campground. It's a highway about 100 yards down the hill there. About a mile down the road, there's a little store, but I didn't feel like going down there. Plus, probably not room to walk on the road. I think I'm gonna try to whip up a campfire as it's getting dark here. I don't have much wood, so it shouldn't last too long. Yeah, you can hear the cars now. Pretty much exploded all over the table. Getting ready to eat some dinner. I'm gonna go for my mountain house tonight, beef stroganoff. So hopefully it'll be a little warmer up here. I'm not camping by a creek and I'm higher elevation, but we'll see. Okay, something funny just happened. One car pulled in here since I've been here, and they pulled over on the other side and were there for like 5 minutes and left. And then this white Subaru Ascent pulls in. I'm like, whoa. I just sent Tracy a message. That was quick. And it pulled up like it was gonna stop right by my tent, and I couldn't see who was driving, so I was like, surely not. But then she backed up to the water over there and got out, and I realized it wasn't Tracy. Maybe wishful thinking. I'm listening to a Jack Reacher novel by Lee Child called The Affair. He just described having sex with the sheriff as they went at it like a junkie heats a spoon. I can rewind it just to see it.